Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a topic that's super important for anyone in the influencer world understanding FTC and GDPR guidelines. So, let's get started. First up, the FTC. If you're an influencer in the US, you've got to know about the Federal Trade Commission. They're the ones making sure we're all playing fair and square. The key takeaway? Always disclose your relationships with brands. If you're paid, got free stuff, or any other benefits, you need to let your followers know. But how do you disclose? The FTC isn't super specific, but they do give us some guidance. Make sure your disclosure is clear and easy to see. Don't hide it in the footnotes or in a block of text. And remember, honesty is the best policy. Now, let's hop over the pond to the EU and talk about the GDPR. If you have followers in the EU and you're collecting their data, you need their explicit consent. This includes things like email marketing, tracking cookies, or storing info for giveaways. And don't forget about data protection. Make sure you're keeping your followers' data safe. Plus, under the GDPR, people have the right to ask you to delete their data. So, you need to be ready to handle those requests. Staying compliant with FTC and GDPR regulations is super important, not just to avoid fines, but also to build trust with your audience. So, always be transparent, get consent when needed, and protect your followers' data. Alright, that's a wrap on our crash course in FTC and GDPR guidelines for influencers. Remember, these rules are here to help us build trust and keep things fair. So, let's keep our influencer game strong and compliant. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more influencer tips. Catch you.